In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Gmail password on Android. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to tap, and how to make your account more secure without any guesswork. First, unlock your Android device and open the Gmail app. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Once Gmail is open, look to the top corner of the screen and tap your profile icon. If you have multiple accounts signed in, this is a great moment to confirm you're working with the correct Google account before moving on. From the menu that appears, tap Manage your Google account. This takes you to your account hub, where you control personal details and security. Along the top, find the Personal Info tab. If you don't see it right away, you can swipe across the tabs until it appears. Tap Personal Info to open it. Now scroll down until you see Password and tap it. For your protection, Google may ask you to verify your identity. This could be your device's screen lock, your current Google password, or another verification method you have set up. Complete that prompt and continue. Doing this in a private place and on a trusted device is always a good idea. You're now ready to set a new password. Type your new password carefully, then re-enter it to confirm. Aim for a strong password that's at least 12 characters and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using anything obvious or something you've reused on other sites. If you use a password manager, this is a perfect time to generate and save a unique one. If an eye icon is available, use it to briefly show what you've typed and double check for typos. When you're confident everything is correct, tap Change Password. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Change Password again to finalize. You should see a success message letting you know your Gmail password has been updated. Keep in mind that your Gmail password is your Google account password, so you may be signed out on other devices and apps. If prompted, sign back in using your new password. As a quick security tip, take a moment to review your security settings. Update your recovery phone number and recovery email so you can get back into your account if you ever forget your password. While you're there, it's wise to review recent devices and sign-ins to ensure everything looks familiar. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Gmail tips and tutorials.